So in today's video we'll be doing the Mini 5 Pro with the RC2 controller, and we're looking at the zoom. Guys, if you didn't know, this little drone has a zoom on it. Now please remember, this is not like a camera zoom where you got like 3 zooms. It's digital, and what I mean by digital is that we're cropping. That's what they're doing, they're cropping the picture really. So I'm going to be doing it in 4K, but you can drop it down to 1080, but I'm going to show you in 4K first. There's a couple of ways you can do it, and what I've done, I've come out to a bit of landscape. There's a tower over there. We'll get the drone up and I'll show you what I mean by that digital zoom. There's a couple of ways you can do it, guys. Obviously the first one is looking on the screen itself. You've got it already on 1 times and 2 times. Another good method is actually pinching the screen by using your 2 fingers, bringing them apart or bringing them in, zoom, zoom out. Or the best one, I think, is actually using the dial. But to set up the dial, what you need to do is go into settings. You want to go into control. You then scroll down to button customization. Now I've already done it, so I've rigged up the dial, which is this one here, to zoom in, zoom out. Just to show that you can do other things. I can adjust the focal length, EV, shutter speed if I need be. Most people have it on that gimbal row, but who really uses that gimbal row? But anyway, it's there for you. Let's go back into the zoom in, zoom out on the dial. So the next thing we need to do is get the drone up in the air. I'll just show you what it looks like. Okay, let's just send it out, send it up. Okay, don't need to put it out too far. I just want to, there's a tower over there and obviously some other things going on the screen. So the first thing is obviously you can do it actually on the screen by pressing the 2 times. So that brings it in closer. I can use my fingers to bring it out to 3 times. I can bring the fingers in, and you can make it a little bit small if need be. I'm just going to put it back to there. I've got it on 2.4 now. So that's, I think that's a good method as well, especially if you don't want to get too close to anything or annoying people. And the other one is actually using the actual reel there. Reel. So you can see there. Now there was a few issues. I think when it first came out, the Mini 5 Pro, I think the gimbal reel was a little bit jerky. So I've got it on 1 times. I'm just got my finger on that zoom there. You can see it getting bigger and bigger, and we got up to 3 times. And if I notice, I'll just, okay. Now obviously looking on the screen, it looks fantastic, but what's it look like on the video? Now you can take photographs as well. I'll just bring that wheel back down to 1 times. Let's just get it. Okay, we've got them 2 times. Okay. Right, there you are. Right, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put it over the photograph. So at the top, and we're just going to take 1 single photograph. Right, another thing worth checking is to see what file size your photos are on. So we just go into settings again, come out of that, camera. That's it. I will always have it on 50 megapixel. Some people have it on 12 megapixel. I think it's always best to have the biggest you can. So that's just a reminder really. Now we got it on 3 times. Let's put it on to the most, which is 3 times. We take that photograph. Okay. I mean the sun is probably just blacking it out a bit. I'll see what I'll do. I'll just bring the drone around and see if we can capture something just over this way. Yeah, okay. This is the holiday season here in Spain, camper van season. Right, so that's on 3 times. I can take a photograph now, and then I'm going to wheel down the size. We got it on 1 times, take a photograph. So, hopefully you've learnt something. I'll be honest, I don't personally use it much, but then that's because I got the Mavic 4 Pro. But anyway, I hope you found it interesting. Be interested to know if you even knew about the zoom. Anyway, as always, there's going to be another video coming. Right, I'm just getting myself on the stones very soon.